Welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video where I'll show you how you can find your saved drafts on TikTok. So if you wanted to upload a great video on TikTok, but for some reason you decided to save that video as a draft and you can't find it now, then follow my steps because I'll show you how you can do exactly that. And before we start with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial videos like this one. The first step that I'll do is to save a video as a draft because I don't have any draft videos on TikTok. So I'll upload a simple video from my photo gallery. I'll get to this final upload page where I need to add the description and other stuff, and you can see this drafts option, and that's what I will click on in order to save this video as a draft. After this step, I'll exit the TikTok app completely, and I'll now show you how you can find that draft on TikTok. All I have to do is to open the TikTok application on my iPhone or Android device, and you then want to click on this little profile option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will get us to our TikTok profile. So essentially, you need to go over to your TikTok profile page, and you will be able to see the drafts section at the top left of your videos page. So you can see that it says drafts right here, and if I click on that option, it's going to open another page in the app where it will show us all of the drafts which we had saved in the TikTok app. I only have one draft in here, but if I click on it, the video is going to open up in the TikTok editor where I can continue with my upload process and upload the video to TikTok if I want to. But yeah, that's essentially it. That is how you can see your TikTok drafts on both iPhone and Android devices.